Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Blessing and I'm the creative director of Beast Teaches Designs. So on today's video, we're going to be learning how to cut Ankara patches. So those Ankara, that is small square shape Ankara you're seeing on this dress is called Ankara patches. So we're going to learn how to cut, how to make it, and how to attach it to a dress. And note guys, you can also make circle patches, any shape of patches that you want. So let's get right into the patches. So I already cut out my square shape. It was all of them were not the same size. I was just cutting square shapes any size that you want. So you can just go ahead and cut your square shapes any size that you want. So after cutting, you're going to get your cloth gum. Some people call this cloth gum, some call it hairstay. It has a side that has the fusing and the side that is the fabric. So you're going to get it and you're going to open it. So you're going to open it. The side that has fusing, that is the gum, is going to face you upwards like that. This is the side that has fusing. You're going to arrange your patches on it. Remember, you're going to be placing the back of the Ankara on the side that has fusing. So you're going to arrange your patches on it. You're going to arrange your patches on it. Please guys, if you're new to this channel, thank you very much for coming by. Please kindly hit on that subscribe button and turn on your notification bell. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you very much for always coming back. We really appreciate you. So you're going to place your patches. You're going to place your patches and arrange your patches. Can you see? You're going to arrange your patches. Arrange your patches. Remember guys, I told you we can use any shape of your choice for these patches, any shape of your choice. So after arranging, you're going to iron. You're going to press with your steam iron. You're going to press with your steam iron. Press with your steam iron. Press with your steam iron. After which you're going to start cutting out your patches. Start cutting out your patches. Can you see the back? That is the hairstay or the cloth gum. So you're going to cut out your patches. You cut out your patches. I'm still cutting out my patches. So this is me trying to add up because I'll be needing plenty of these patches. So this is me trying to add up to iron. So guys, you can also decide to use your paper stay for this. If you don't have the hair stay or the cloth gum, you can use your paper stay for this. Any interfacing is good for this. So it must not necessarily be a hair stay or a cloth gum. You can use your paper stay. And also remember, any shape, you can use this for any shape that you want to make. So I'm pressing. I press. Press. And cut out. And cut out. Cut out. So after cutting out your patterns, you are going to iron again from the back, that is from the interfacing. You iron again from the back. Then after ironing from the back, ironing from the back, so after ironing from the back, we will start to fold the sides. Can you see? You start folding the sides. You fold the sides. You fold the sides. Just tiny foldings. You are going to use iron to secure the foldings in place. Tiny foldings, and you use iron to secure the foldings in place. Can you see? I'm going to fold the sides. You also turn to the front and press it down. Press it down. Can you see? This way it will be very easy to sew on your dress. You're going to sew at the edges. So let's repeat this process again. You're going to fold the sides. You're going to fold the edges, fold the edges, fold the edges, fold the edges, can you see? Fold the edges, fold your edges. Please guys, hope you have hit on that subscribe button and also turn on your notification bell. Please also drop your comments, your reactions via the comment section. You can drop your questions or your thoughts via the comment section. So we are done ironing this fold, we are done folding, so it's time to sew on a dress. So you're going to place on your dress and you're going to sew round the edges. You're going to sew round the edges, sew round the edges. Can you see? So whichever shape you're making, can you see that with this process that we just made the patches pass go through, it's going to be easy for you to sew on your dress because the shapes, the edges are now defined. So it's just super easy. You don't have to start stressing yourself and folding before sewing. So this method I showed you guys is just the best and stress-free. You can use it to sew as many patches as you want and as many shapes as you want. Can you see? So we're going to try another one. We are going to try another one. Can you see? So you're going to sew at the edges. This is very neat. Can you see? So let's also try another one. Sew at the edges. So you can sew as many patches as you want, as many as you want. You can sew as many as you want. So let's try another one. Place your pin and you sew at the edges. Please guys, don't forget to give me a thumbs up on this video. Also subscribe, comment and share. So this is my own version of this dress. Thank you very much for watching, guys. Bye.